Good morning, student. Today we will discuss our 8th unit Fundamentals of Anatomy, Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. Our body is a complex functioning of various systems of body. Good working of body consists of proper functioning of various systems like circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system, etc., which make a man more efficient. Each system consists of various organs, and organ consists of various tissue, and tissue consists of many cells. Means a group of cells make a tissue, and a group of tissue make a organs, and group of organs make a organ system, and group of organ systems make a human body. Therefore, functional ability of the body depend upon the efficiency of each cell. In these chapters, we learn the basic working of various systems. Anatomy and physiology. Anatomy is a branch of physiology which study the human body function, human body structures. Okay, anatomy क्या है? It is a biology. It is a biology which study the human body function, human body structures. We study about human body structure. This science, this anatomy provide us the knowledge about human body structures, its shape and interrelation of various parts of the body. Physiology. Physiology is the science which deal with the functioning of various organs or the systems, their relationship with others organs and their effectives. Means physiology Physiology is the study of functioning of various organs or the functioning of various systems of the human body, their relationship with the others organs and their effect. What are their effect? Anatomy and physiology are closely interrelated field and help us to understand the structures and functions of various body systems. Physiological system of human body. Skeletal system. Skeletal system consists of bones, joint, cartilage, etc. Skeletal system provide framework and shape to the body. It protect the delicate organs like kidney, livers, etc., and give junction to the skeletal muscle. Okay, skeletal muscles means skeletal muscle consists of bones, joint, cartilage, and it's provide a body framework, means provide a structure to the body, and also it protect the delicate organs. Muscular system consists of muscle, tendon, ligament, etc. Tendons connect muscle to the bones, and ligaments connect bones to the bones. Muscular system provide movement to the body through its contraction. Through muscular contraction, it's provide movement to the body. Circulatory system consists of blood vessel, heart, etc., and it provide fluid movement in the body. Means it provide movement, it provide proper movement of blood throughout the body. Respiratory systems, it consists of breathing organs like lungs, trachea, alveoli, etc. Respiratory systems helps in energy production. Digestive system consists of stomach, food pipe, intestine, etc. It helps in energy production. Nervous system consists of brain, spinal cords, and nerves. It's it control the working of various organs of the body. It control the working of various organs in our body. Glandular system consists of endocrine endocrine and endocrine and exocrine gland. Endocrine gland release their endocrine gland release their secretion into the blood carry the substance through the body to its target tissue, and exocrine gland that directly release its secretion into the target organs. And glandular systems help in various organs to work properly. Excretory system consists of kidney, skin, etc. And it helps in excreting waste product, means removing the waste product from the body, like through urine, sweating, etc. It's help to remove the waste product from the body. Reproductive system. Reproductive system consists reproductive systems consists of reproductive organs. It helps in reproducing young ones. As a result of physical activity, many changes occur. If we do physical activity, then many changes occurs in our body. Some changes are permanent and some are temporary, but all these changes have positive effect in the human body. Importance. What are the importance of anatomy and physiology? The first is knowledge gain. These are the important subject of biology and give us knowledge about the body. Anatomy provide you knowledge about structure of the human body, and physiology provide you knowledge about the and its effect functioning of various organs and its effects. So the knowledge of anatomy and physiology give us knowledge about our body. We know about the human body. Understanding the structures. Provide Anatomy, it helps to understand the structures of the body, how our body is made. It helps to provide a knowledge about the structure of our body properly. Understanding the body organs. Physiology helps to understand the functioning of various organs and its system, how our different organs function, and what are their effect. The knowledge through physiology, we get our knowledge about its working, helps in understanding the body. Anatomy and physiology helps to understand the role and functioning of various organs and system, thus give us knowledge about their working, helps in understanding the body. This subject, anatomy and physiology, helps to understand the role and functioning of various organs, helps to improve the health. It helps to improve the health of an individual. If we know about our body, automatically it helps us to improve our health. Prevent health problem. Good understanding about our body. If we have knowledge about our body, our internal organs, etc., then it will help to overcome the health problem with their knowledge. Improve efficiency. This subject helps the individual to improve the efficiency of various systems. Thus, overall efficiency can be improved. With the help of anatomy and physiology, we can improve the efficiency of various system, and if the efficiency of various system improve, the overall efficiency of our body can be improved. Meaning of kinesiology. Kinesiology is the scientific study of human body, human movement. Okay, kinesiology is the study of human body movement, how our body move. It gives us knowledge about the movement of our body. Applications of kinesiology to the human health includes biomechanics. Biomechanics means study study about the force in a living being, study of mechanisms in a living things. Orthopedic means study of bones. Strength and conditioning, sports psychology, methods of rehabilitation such as physical and occupational therapy, and sports and exercise. Our body, our body usually, as we know that our body is made of bones and muscles, which help the body to perform external movement. Muscle provide us energy. Muscle provide us necessary energy and force for movement, whereas bone act as a levers. Therefore, kinesiology, with the help of kinesiology, we can understand the movement, how our body, understand about the movement, various movement of our body. Importance. What are the importance of kinesiology and biomechanics in sports? First is understanding the human movement. Kinesiology and biomechanics helps to know about the human movement, how our body move. Knowledge about various movement of the body. Knowledge about force on the body. It gives us knowledge about various force acting upon the body. Efficient movement. It provide knowledge to perform efficient movement, as it helps to develop the good skill. With the help of improving our movement, with the help of improving our movements, it's help to develop a good skill. Correct movements. It's help to correct the fault movement. Thus, the movement is effective and efficient. With the help of kinesiology, we study the human movement. We get a knowledge about the movement, and the knowledge of movement. By understanding the human movement, we correct our fault movement. We can correct our fault movements and helps help for effective and efficient movement. Prevent injury. If we know about the movement, then we can reduce the injury. Moreover, we can also prevent the injury by correcting our movement. Improve performance. It's help to improve the performance of the individual by developing good technique and good training methods. If we develop the good technique and good training methods, it will help to improve the performance. Knowledge about physics principles. Kinesiology and biomechanics helps to gain the knowledge about various physical principles like law of motions, levers, types of body, equilibrium, various force, projectiles, aerodynamic, etc. These physical principles, we get a knowledge about these physical principles. Guide the safety principle. This subject guide us the safety principles and prevent injury. helps in research work. Biomechanics principles helps in research work, and direct scientific approach helps in developing new equipment. With the help of kinesiology and biomechanics, we can develop the new equipment and tools for the better movement, for the help of human movement, for correct movement, for better movement. Improve improve training technique. We can also improve our training technique. Create confidence. It helps to create the confidence in the player, and also it helps to motivate. Skeletal system. Skeletal system. Skeletal system consists of bones and joint which provide attachment to the movement of the body. Okay, skeletal system is made of bones and joint. Proper functioning of skeletal system and muscular systems improve the efficiency of the body. If our muscular systems and skeletal system perform properly, then the efficiency of the body will be improved. Bones and its classification. Bones and its classification. There are 206 bones in human body. Okay, 206 in human body. But during the birth, at the time of birth, there are and in the adulthood there is 206 bones. Bones get fused, and 200 206 bones in the adults. In the birth, at the time of birth, there are 270 bones, and these bones fuse and become 206 bones in the adult. Bone is divided into three parts: head bone, hollow shaft, and or tail bones, and femur bones. Femur bones present in the thigh is the longest bone, and stapes present in the ear is the smallest bone. This this femur bones is the longest bone. Femur is the longest bone, and stapes present in the ears is the smallest bone. This is the head bone, hollow shaft, and this is the tail of the bone is classified into three parts: head bone, hollow shaft, and tailbone. Bone are the hardest connective tissue. Okay, bone is the hardest connective tissue forming the skeletal system. Like connective tissue, it is made of matrix. Okay, bone is made of matrix. Long bones are usually hollow. ठीक है, जो भी long bone होते हैं वो hollow. ठीक है, internally it is hollow, containing a bone marrow in it. Cartilage are the elastic hard connective tissue. Cartilage are elastic hard connective tissue. The elasticity, okay, the elasticity of cartilage is due to the presence of uh, chondrine proteins and some inorganic salt. Types of bone. There are various type of bones. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 type of bone: long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone, sesamoid bone, cartilaginous bone. Okay, these are the types of bone. Long bones. Long bones, they are the long and wide. Okay, long bones are long and wide. These long bones act as a levers. And long bones, these are present in neck and arms. ठीक है, long bones क्या है? They usually long bones are long and wide, and these act as a levers, and they are present in thigh, arm, etc. Next is short bone. Short bone is short in size and cube in shape. They are found in ribs, phalanges, flat bones. Flat bones means they are flat bones. Flat bones have broad surface. They are mostly they mostly protect our internal organs and give attachment to muscle like sternum, scapula, etc. Okay, flat bones have broad surface and they protect our internal organs like ribs. Ribs protect our livers, heart, etc. Irregular bone. These bones these bones have irregular shape like vertebra, skull. Okay, these all are irregular bone. Sesamoid bone, sisa, sesamoid bones. These are the embedded. Embedded means fixed. Okay, these bones are fixed in tendons. They hold the tendons like a patella. Okay, sesamoid joint are fixed in tendon. Cartilaginous bones are fixed and soft. Cartilaginous bones are fixed and soft, and they are found in ear and nose. Okay, these are found in ear and nose. This is the long bone. Flat bones that protect your internal organs like livers, kidney. This is your irregular bones which is present in your vertebra, and this is your short bone. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैंने बताया skeletal system it consists of bones and joint. Our bones in our body, there are 206 bones. Bones are divided into three parts: head bone, sharp bone means hollow sharp, and tailbone. And bones, uh, there are different types of bone. Long bone means which are long and wide. Short bones, they are short and cube shape. Flat bones, irregular bone, sesamoid bones, and cartilaginous bones. Next is joint and its type. Joint क्या है? Joint is the place where two or more bones meet or join. ठीक है, joint is the place where two or more bones meet. Joints are three types: immovable joint, slightly movable joints, and freely movable joint. Immovable joint. This immovable joint is also known as fibrous joint. This these are also known as fixed joint because bones are joined together and no movement is possible. ठीक है, immovables immovable bones, this joint, ठीक है, they also known as fixed joint. ठीक है, immovable joint is also known as fixed joint. The bones are joined together and there is no movement is possible, like in skull. Slightly movables, also known as cartilaginous bones. Slightly movable means these joints are slightly movement um, in this joint. There is a slight movement, like in intervertebration. Okay, like in intervertebration. Next is freely movable joint, also known as synovial joint. Freely movables. This joint can move to a great extent. These are covered by the thin membranes and filled with synovial fluid. Okay, in between the joint, it is synovial fluid. Therefore the joint move freely to a great extent. In all freely movables or synovial joint, the joint is filled with synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is a liquid, just like a oil. Okay, therefore it make it slightly freely, which act as a gracing agent to provide slippery surface to the joint. Okay, synovial fluid, it is like a gracing, and it make the joint sleepy. This joint further these joints are covered by thin membranes called synovial membranes, and there are six six types of joint: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, and condyloid joint. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. This ball and socket joints is present at the shoulders or hip. Ball and socket joint provide you 360 degree angle movement. Okay, ball and socket joint provide you 360-degree angle movement. Hinge joint, it is present in the elbow. It provides you forward and backward movement in one place. Okay, hinge joint provide you upward and downward movement in one plane. For examples, in elbow, in your knee. Next is pivot joint. Pivot joint is present at neck. Okay, it is present at neck. And pivot joint pivot joint provide you rotation movement. Okay, it provide you rotation movement. The bones act as a bones, and then your bones provide you a rotation. Next is gliding joint. Gliding joint, it is present at carpal joints, or it is present in hand. The bone surface that the joint held together are flat. Okay, in gliding joint, okay, in that joint hold together are flat. For examples, in your hand, saddle joint. Saddle joint, which is present in the thumb. Saddle joint, one bone in saddle joint, it is present in thumb. It provides you flexions, extensions, abductions, and adductions movement. The movement take place at one axis and allow different movement. Okay, first bone in saddle joint, first bone is sharp. First bone is shaped like a saddle with other bone resting on it. Okay, one bones act as a saddles, and other bone resting on it. से बोन उस पर रेस्ट करते हैं, लाइक अ हॉर्स राइडर्स. ठीक है, हॉर्स राइडर्स, लाइक अ हॉर्स राइडर्स ऑन अ हॉर्स. Next is condyloid joint, which is present in your wrist. It will provide you uh, flexions, extensions, abduction, adduction, and circumduction movement. This is your pivot joint. Pivot joint provide you rotation movement, which is present in the neck. This is hinge joint. This is your hinge joint. Hinge joint provide you uh, provide you direction in one direction, 180 degree movement up down. And this is your saddle joint, this is your condylite joint. Okay, and this is your uh, ball and socket joint. Okay, these are the types of joint. Ball and socket and shoulders, it provide you 360-degree angle movement. Hinge joint, which is present in your elbow. Okay, elbow, knee. Pivot joint, this is present in your neck and provide you rotation movement. Gliding joint, which is present in your carpals or hand. Okay, in which there is forward and sideward movement. One bones glide over the others. And saddle joint, which is present in the thumbs. Present in your thumbs. One bone saddles over the others. And next is condylite joint, which is present in your wrist, which provide you upward flexion, extensions, abduction, adductions, and circumduction movement. This is your condylite joint. Okay, upward, downward, side to side, and circular movement.